Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for coming, and if you already subscribed to us, much appreciate that you come back. Anyway, just watched Newcastle play Spurs, beat them 2-1, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Had to dig deep second half to win. I've had a couple of drinks as well, but I want to do a bike ride. So I'm going to jump me mountain bike and just have a ride around Washington. I'm trying to build my fitness up at the moment. I've been to the gym a couple of times already this year. So been this morning. I did half an hour on the treadmill. I tried to do a bit of running, but I'm not there yet. Only let us do a few steps. It was hurting straight away my knee. But anyway. So I thought I'd have a go at the bike. Not that bike. Not this one. But this one. Take my mountain bike out. It's just going to be a short one. Around Washington. I've set a few challenges up on Strava. I've got to do like a certain amount of miles or minutes through the month to get over some challenges. Minutes, miles, and I don't know if I'm doing feet or not, like how high I go, I'm not sure. But yeah, so you come along with us. It's only a short one, not exciting, just around Washington. Right, I'll bring it back shortly when I'm on the bike. Still a bit of frost in the floor, like on the ground. Freezing this morning. Couldn't get the car started when I tried to go out earlier. I've got a boot in for the garage on the 13th of January to see what's going on with it. I was told on another garage there's an ECU problem. Engine, whatever. Engine's in the unit. I'm going along Hewitt Road now towards Concord. It's a short one, this one, like. Right, heading into Albany Park. If anyone remembers just my video the other day, BMX course, just up there next to the pit, just to the left. Oh god. Got an update on my bike, my e-bike. If anyone saw me last ride I did, where it was like raining and stuff, windy, the brakes went completely on it, and I was like shite myself all the way home because obviously on the way back home it's all downhill, so I had to be very careful. But anyway, some new brake pads are expected to come today. Right, might be there when I get home tonight. It's like 3:15 now, and they say they're going to be here between 6:15 and 8:15. Then I'll get that sorted. So I did want to do a bike ride tomorrow to the coast on it. We'll see. Anyway, I'm heading into Albany, and the street to the left which I'm going in is the street I grew up in. Careful here, like. There's a street I grew up in, Albany, from the age of 6 till 18. Absolutely loved it there. One of the happiest places to live. Yeah, the one, the end house there, on the end, that's the house I grew up in. Absolutely loved it there. Right, heading down there, heading towards the galleries, and into Glebe and Biddick, and then into Columbia, Washington Village, Concord and home. Like I said, it's a short one, this one. Just trying to build my fitness up a little bit. Any short or any long, I'll post any riding videos to show you my weight loss journey, or my getting fit journey, if you like. Right, bring it back further instead of talking shit all the time. Approaching Albany Centre now. Stella Morris on the right. You call Stella Morris? Stella. My mother used to work there. God bless her. worked there for quite a few years actually. There's a centre there. Right, I'm going to go left now. Head towards Washington Village, but I'm going to go towards the galleries, over the bridge. There's a KFC there, there's a Tim Hortons there. But I've got no money on it. Yes I have, I've got my wallet on it. Nah, not doing that today. Right, bring it back further. Washington Galleries, our Durham House, the tall building there. There's been loads of rumours about that, whether it's coming down or what, or putting Wetherspoons there. Obviously the toilets at the top. That's not true by the way. Tim Hortons straight ahead, KFC here, retail park, Matalan, and busy traffic. Right, I need to stop boring everyone. Right, continue on for the red car. Right, here we go. Right, heading down past Glebe now. Glebe's to the left. I'm still alongside the galleries. Come towards the drop-in centre. I wouldn't exactly call it prime care like, or drop-in centre actually, because you got to make appointments. You can't just walk in, I don't think now. Just going past the bowling alley on the right. From here I go to the Village Centre, and then I come out to the Columbia, and from Columbia into Washington Village. And I notice it's starting to get dark now. And the cold weather's starting to kick in a bit more. Right, here we go. Heading into Billick, oh wait, I'm in Billick now. I'm just heading towards the centre. That's all I was meant to say. It's not very easy to open when I've got music playing in the background. I've got my earphones in. Billick Centre now. Not here like. It used to be a pub called the Sandpiper like, but that's a hairdresser's now. Shame like. That's it. Billick Centre come and gone there. And there, nice houses straight in front. I could be wrong, but I'm sure England goalkeeper lives there. Or he's got a house there. One of the houses. I'm in Washington. Worked out yourselves who it could be. Right, quick one. Right, I'm in Columbia now. Grady Square. My parents used to was going to buy a house in this row here. It's called the Gabled. 1991. House was worth £34,000 at the time. But sad not to. I think it was the road what did it. And then they bought a house with a pretty similar road. But it was a few thousand cheaper. Got to fix you up there. Then there was the big pub now. I did a video a few months ago with the fireworks. Anyone watched it? Right. that's after that bank, like. Right, heading to Washington Village now. Washington Road towards the right, behind these houses, and Church on the Hill. A few canny pubs along here as well. Cross Keys, Washington Arms, and turn left with our Vans Chum. Probably 100 yards up the road. Have my wedding reception there. Black Bush. Is the centre of Washington. Right. From here, head towards Concord now. It's about a mile up the road. Coming into Concord now, Concord Centre, loads of shops, betting shops, a couple of pubs. That's about it. Right, I'm on the last leg before home now, so best time to end this video now. I know it wasn't the most exciting one, like, but I've done better. But I want to take everyone on who watches this on my fitness journey, see where I'm going, because I can easily fall off the wagon, easy. I'm such a junk food addict, honestly, ridiculous. So if I do it this way, I might actually keep motivated and keep doing it. So just turn the music off because I think I might be shouting. I'm on Heworth Road now, heading towards home. So yeah, if anyone's watched this all the way at the end, really appreciate that. Anyone who views me videos, really appreciate all that, even if you don't get the end. So yeah, so I've got a few plans for this year coming up. If you're watching me on the channel, Fulham e-bike adventures, I'm hoping to do a bike ride tomorrow to the coast. If not, I'll do it sooner rather than later. So until the next one, I'll see you later. Watch what